babies.
Today we're going to work on the masking tool. And what the masking tool does is basically a non-destructive way of editing an image. Now you can use this with any image that you like. I'm going to use the 80s Babies logo as an example. And so first you start off with your layer selected that you're trying to edit. Go down here to this camera looking object. That's the masking tool, and it adds a mask layer. Now with the white and black selected as your colors for the paintbrush, you go to the paintbrush and black erases. Black erases, and you'll see it over there. Erases my object, and white puts it back. So instead of me messing up and having to re-import the image and all that, I could just use the mask layer. Me personally, I like to use it a lot for the gradient tool. Go to the gradient tool and you see it fading out. And you see the black over there fading it out. And that's basically the mask tool in a nutshell. Hope you guys learned something today. See you next time. Peace.